Hello, this is going to be a quick video on how to access your math curriculum online. I am at the Google homepage and I'm going to click on the waffle icon. That's the app drawer, but for the kids we call it the waffle icon. Once I touch that, I'm going to scroll up and find my Think Central. That would be this icon. I will click on that icon and it opens my account. Because I am logged in as a student, I get the options of things to do, my library, and my scores. My library will have math-related books for this unit. Your scores, after you do your work, you will check what that is. But to do things to do is really big because that's the most important thing. You're going to log in there, click right here, because see if we have some things to do. Things to do. My icons get smaller. Things to do is still there. Scores are still there, and your library is still there. But now I have a menu here that says Chapter 12 Mid-Chapter Checkpoint. These letters are in blue because I have not done it yet. When I click on those blue letters, my assignment will open up. Now it says how to use the personal math trainer. Click on the arrows for the next question, the back arrow to go back, save and close, and turn it in. We're going to click on Start. After you click on Start, you will have the questions that you have to answer. You can click on the speaker for the question to be read to you. When you click on that speaker, it will read the question for you.
Select the number of sides and vertices, corners.
You will look at the shape, click on each speaker so it could read the answer for you. Once you answer your question, you click on Check. Choose an answer and click Check. Because my question is not answered, I cannot check. This is a student account, so I'm not going to give them the answers. When you answer your question, a little check mark will appear on top. That indicates that your question has been answered and you can go to the next question. You click on Next, you touch the speaker, wait a little bit to hear the question. You can click on it as many times as you need. Choose your answer. Remember to click on the speakers so it will read the questions and the answers to you. Once you choose your answer, you will press a button that will appear here that says check your work. And then a check mark appears up here too that you're done. And you'll just keep clicking and clicking until you don't have any more questions. When you don't have any more questions and you answered, you have all the check marks up there, you will turn it in. If you are not done, you can save it for later. You can come back and finish later. But if you finished, you turn it in. Once you turn it in, I will get your work and you can see your score. When your work is done, you can go back and check your scores. In my scores, I see that this work is already done. I see that on this assignment that I finished on August 21st, I got 8 out of 8 correct and I scored 100%. As I do more work, all my assignments will show up here. If there's anything to do, it will be here. To do, my scores, and my library is if you want to read some books related to math. Not all of these options work well on your tablet. Some of these options will not work well on your tablet, but we can always try and check. I checked on the Curious George and nothing happened because the iPad uses a different program and it won't load. I'll just click on that little X to close that and I go back. A lot of these don't work well with the iPad, but will work well on a computer. The most important thing that you will have to do is your things to do. That's if you have any work. And you can see right here, there is one thing that you have to do that you haven't finished. Your teacher, Mrs. Hernandez, gave you that work. It is math work. And the due date is when you have to turn it in. You have to turn it in by September 7th. If it's not turned in by September 7th, you get a 0. Means you didn't do it. So I'm giving you a whole week to finish that work. All right, buddies. I hope that helps next time you have to do some work in Think Central Math. See you next time.